agree. We're feeling very different from
Right.
definitely how we were a couple months ago with those triple digits we had throughout most of the summer. Instead, we're getting that cool, breezy feel. We have sprinkles and maybe a few showers today, although not a whole lot of rain widespread across our area. Tomorrow does look drier, and Whitney was wondering when the sun's coming. Some models have some breaking up of the clouds, maybe late tomorrow, but probably Friday at least still some clouds. And then the weekend, we should get better sunny conditions. If you're looking for that, we have a cool front early Saturday. Should make it gorgeous this weekend, I'm happy to say. Low humidity, a really pleasant feel. Right now, we have this misty kind of look out here. Our temperature at 62, and temperatures north and south of the lake a bit cool in the lower 60s. Macomb, Mississippi saying 57. And here's a look at radar. Most of the rain is off of our coast, south of spots farther to the east along the Gulf Coast, but we do have at least some of these showers, as I was pointing out. So a few locations may get just kind of a couple of sprinkles, and then it'll pick up a little bit in St. Bernard and Plaquemines, and maybe a few other spots like in parts of New Orleans earlier this morning. These small showers wrapping around mainly from the northeast off to the south and southwest, and that of course is associated with the low. Now, how much rainfall have we gotten? Some spots only a few hundredths of an inch of rain. The lakefront a little more than a tenth, and Belle Chase as well. But over the past couple of days, radar has been indicating roughly up to about an inch or so for a lot of spots for land areas. But once you get closer to the coast, for example, the southern part of Plaquemines, radar has estimated a few inches of rain for the extreme southern part of the parish there. So like we were anticipating, the higher totals near the coast, and now that the low is a little bit farther to the east, really the eastern half or so of our area is where we have that chance for a few showers today mainly. Winds are a bit breezy from the north and northeast. We still have a wind advisory for these spots. This will go until Thursday morning officially. Winds from the northeast up to about 20 or so miles per hour, but some gusts near about 30 or 40 miles per hour. So that's one of the things that we're seeing. We'll talk about our coastal flooding in a second, but just wanted to get you updated on today's forecast. Temperatures pretty much steady where we are right now in the lower 60s. A chance at least for a few of those showers and sprinkles and that breezy feel. And then tonight we'll be in the 50s to about 60 for lows. Still a chance for a few overnight showers because the low will be near us, eventually moving off to the southeast of us. And here it is. So well defined, really interesting to watch. It's kind of mesmerizing for me just to watch this swirl here, right here, southeast of the coast of Plaquemines Parish. Still rain spreading over some of these Gulf Coast spots, including some of our Louisiana spots. That's why we still have a chance for rain. If we do see it again, it would be just a slight pickup in the rain to maybe a light or moderate shower, and then likely back to the drier conditions or just that kind of misty or sprinkle kind of action after that. Here's the surface low again. That will move off to the south and southeast of us. Moving through precision cast, it's really not coming up with a lot of rain from here on out, aside from a couple of showers perhaps. This is overnight and early tomorrow. Still with the clouds, still a slight chance for rain, but here we go. This model at least wants to break up the clouds and bring maybe a little bit of sun late tomorrow. Friday we'll still have clouds though, and then we get that front early Saturday, and that will make it feel nice for the weekend. Keep in mind all the way until early Friday and at night, tonight and then Thursday night, we still have that coastal flood warning for those higher than normal tides, 1 to 3 or so feet, depending on where you are, mainly for those northeast and east facing shoreline. So still that coastal flooding for the next couple of nights. Then we're turning into a bit of a warmer setup for Friday, and then the front early Saturday will make it cool and pleasant and really beautiful this weekend. If you have plans, it's looking great, and a little cooler by Sunday. Early next week, some more rain moves in, but it looks like we could be dry and cool for Thanksgiving. Keep up with the forecast. We'll keep you updated.